Hello kids, in today's session we will do minus 4's formula. Where will I apply minus 4? Wherever I will get stuck in doing minus 4, I will apply its formula. Okay, wherever when I am gonna get stuck in doing minus 4, okay, let's see. I have 5 with me. I'm starting with the example of 5 in every video so that it is clear to you. Okay, basic is clear to you. 5. Okay, I have to do minus 4. Can I do? Again, you are kidding, ma'am. One beat you are showing me, and you are telling me to subtract 4 beats. Though this is not one beat, this is 5, but the value is 5. Okay. So, what is the formula of minus 4? Okay, ma'am, you told me in the previous video if 4 is minus, God will be minus, and the remaining is plus. So, minus 5 plus 1, right? Yes, minus 5 plus 1. I have to do minus 4, minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. Got it? Okay. If I have 6, I have to do minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1. If I have 7, I have to do minus 4. Minus God plus 9 minus 5 plus 1. Same. Do a big question with me. Add 1, add 3, add 5, minus 2, plus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I am stuck. Minus God plus friend minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 2. Okay. If you have any other doubt, drop in the comment section. I'll revert you back. Okay. Bye bye.